there were two parts to number one. First was find CB, which is this entire side length, and then find AE. There's the mid-segment theorem that says if you connect any two midpoints of the sides of a triangle, then the third side will be twice as big as that mid-segment. Or this will be half as big as that third side. And it will be parallel. So on this, if you want to set up an equation, this is a big part. If you want to set up an equation to find CB, that means we have to figure out what x is. And all you have to do is multiply the smaller one by 2, and then it will be equal to the bigger one. So I would do 4x plus 8. That's multiplying the small one by 2, then it equals the big one. 6x minus 8. Subtract 4x. 8 equals 2x minus 8. Add 8. 16 equals 2x divided by 2. So on this, x equals 8. However, you're not trying to solve for x and that's it. You're trying to figure out what CB is. So we have to take this and plug it back in. So 6 times 8 minus 8. That's 48. Some people got all the way down to this and then wrote down like 28 or something. I don't know. So minus 8. So 40. CB, the length of CB is 40. That's one part. And you get that by multiplying the small portion by 2. That's how we get 4x plus 8 equals 6x minus 8. That's the large portion. So for AE, well, it says right here, D and E are midpoints. Here's E. It's the midpoint of AB. So that means these two segments are congruent. If things are congruent, we can set their expressions equal to each other. So just 3y equals 5y minus 12. And then solve this. So I would subtract 5y to both sides. I already have my number on the right side, so I'm going to get my variables to the left side. I want to get them on opposite sides of the equal sign. So that goes away. I have negative 2y equals negative 12. Don't forget the negative. Divide by negative 2. Y equals negative divided by negative is a positive 6. Some people stopped here, but we're not trying to solve for y. We're trying to figure out what AE is. So AE, that's this segment. Yeah, so I'd plug it back in. So 3 times 6 is 18. AE equals 18.